Indian Motorcycle, we believe the choices you make define you. Since 1901, Indian Motorcycle has been the choice of riders who make their own rules. Choose wisely. There is a gum unlike any other gum. It's called Icebreakers gum in cool mint and hot cinnamon. 12 extreme flavors in all. Icebreakers gum. Intense, mouth-refreshing gum. What is luxury? Is it the quiet of your own sunrise? Is it the depth of your own ocean or the height of your own sky? Our guitar team plays guitar. Our drum crew plays drums. Our staff in Pro Audio are pros at audio. And along with all our know-how, we have tons of great gear too. Guitar Center and GuitarCenter.com. And this is Mountain Whiskey. Unspoiled, untamed, forever whiskey. Up here, it's just man and the mountain. 10-cup whiskey. Mountain Whiskey.